So hi guys, welcome back to another new vlog. So guys, after a long gap, today we are again in a restaurant. So the name of the restaurant is Mint. Let me show this place. This is so beautiful. You can see. You can sleep here. There is a lamp also. You can enjoy with your family here. You can see a sweet place. Sweet place to be with your family. So this is the reception mainly. Let me show you the view here. There is a small bridge. Near the bridge, we have this aquarium. Here, there is another place here also. You can see. So guys, let me show you the outer view. This is the kitchen, and if you go upstairs, this leads to up, and if you go upstairs, you will have, there is a sliding. Okay, so you can see, nice place to be. Nice place to be with this. You can see this place. You can see.
They get told this like quickly, you know, like quickly.
So this is a sliding door I showed you before too, and the final view from here. A sweet place to be with your sweet family. You can see so many fishes. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe for them. Bye.